before it starts pouring.
I know.
Yeah.
Hey, Dan.
Let's find them out on the field.
Get 3 helmets. Can I get a receipt for those?
There's all the kiddies out on the field.
Can you get some pictures of this guy right here? Sandwich.
Stay on the equipment. All right, I got it on film.
Hold on, what are you talking about?
There they are. The big team. There's Stephanie. Stephanie's thrilled to be out here today. The big yawn from Stephanie. Is that Brian? I don't know many of the kids' names. I'm usually over the Christians team. There's Coach. Let's pan around and look at that team. Oh, it's a mighty crowd. Some of them were so excited to get that game started. There's that Curtis sitting on the ground. Mr. Curdy. Oh, and there's some people pointing out directions. That way to the outfield. No, you're in the outfield.
Where's the camera? Look, I'm bringing this one back.
Oh, wait. Oh, Aaron got it on film. Is that Morgan and they're going to be catching. There's Luke taking pictures and me taking pictures, and that's enough. We have an action shot. So throw to first. I don't know, he's going to get it. He's hustling out there. He's hustling back to first to get him out. Patrick doesn't seem thrilled to death to be here at all today. The last game of the season. And it shows. They're done. All right, let's see how Morgan does. Here they come. Here comes Morgan. Go get him. Whoops, I went the wrong way. Get him, Morgan.
Morgan, back up. Morgan, turn around.
Get him, Morgan. Yeah. Here they come. Here comes the squad.
Way to go. Already accomplished.
Looks good on film.
Does it?
There they are, the squad.
Hey, Steph.
The Chiefs. The squad. All right, here we are. Casey at bat.
Morgan, what'd you do with the ball?
There's Stephanie. Let's see what she's going to do. She's going to show us her stuff. Well, there's not much action going on here. Let's pan around and look at the fans. There's the gang. The gang in the rain. There they are. All right, let's see how the mighty Stephanie does it. She's ready. She's got that look about her.
Okay, batter's ready.
Go, Stephanie. Oh, strike one. She's trying to do one for the camera. Good shot. Let's follow that play. She goes. She's running. Good. She ran past the base. That was good. Good run, Stephanie. There's Speedy in her big helmet. Gotta love these kids in their little helmets. Now let's pan back quickly and make everybody nauseous. All right, let's see what you got. Show us some stuff. Whoa! Good shot.
Good job, Derek.
There he is, on the base. Speedy at second. Oops, going the wrong way. Oops. It's all right, he's sitting on the field. All Right now I've lost everybody's perspective here. Doo, doo, doo. Oh, there's the kitties. And now we're tying the shoe. I think. Is that Morgan? Morgan's getting ready for the big whack.
Alright, batter's ready.
Come on, Morgan. Show them what you're made of, girl. Nice, good hit.
Oh, good swing.
Oh,
Foul ball.
foul one. Let's see what she got. Go, Morgan. Whack it. Good shot, Morgan. Stephanie running and Derek running, and there's Morgan safe at first. Good job. Feed into Speedy. What's Speedy looking at? I don't know. There's Lukey sitting on the field. All right, here comes Alec. Oh, he's got the stance down. Let's get him with the power shot. Yeah! Here comes Stephanie running home. There's Alec. Made it to first. No problem. Pardon me?
Can you believe I wasn't on at third?
I can hardly believe it. That was good. I'm glad for you. All right, let's see Patrick up here. See what he got. See if he's got the guns today. I'm gonna slide around. I'll get a picture of Lukey in there. Luke taking pictures. I'm taking pictures.
Go, buddy, go.
All right, good shot. Good job. Everybody's still on. Morgan came home. Oh, I must miss Brian there with a little speed shot. All right, give it a whack there, Brian. Yeah. There he goes. Gotta get it.
Good job, Brian.
No problem. Everybody's safe. Let's see if I can see everybody. Everybody's safe. Round and round. Okay, let's see what he can do. Ryan's ready to whack him. If I stop whacking this thing around so much. Yeah, run it. Oops. See what he can do there. Come on, Ryan. Yeah. Oh, by the 12th kid, I finally got this down. All right. Everybody's safe. Everybody's safe. Oh, Curtis moving. Go ahead, Curtis. Yeah. Come on, Curtis. Oh, I see somebody coming home.
Whoa, nice throw.
All right, everybody's safe. Everybody's safe. Let's see how he does.
Everybody's running, Ryan, okay?
Here he goes. Give it a whack. That's it. Good. So, oh, we have them coming home. There's Brian. There they are, running around, taking them all. Let's get them coming home. Everybody come home. All right. He's juking out there.
Hurry up, get him.
I think he might be out of the baseline.
Get him, tag him. There you go, all right.
I think the coaches helped.
All right.
The season was almost over.
Last. You get to run around all the bases to end the season, okay? All right.
Is that Curdy leading off? All right, Curdy, let's do it, Holmes.
Curtis, Patrick, and then Stephanie. And then Derek, you're fourth.
Curtis, put it up on the street over there, okay? All the way up there. Go ahead, Curdy, whenever you're ready. Curdy. Don't. Let's go, Curdy. I know, he's looking good. Go, Curdy, run, buddy. Yeah, Curdy, yeah. All right. Last time. Here we go, Patrick. Let's go, dude. There you go. There you go. Good hit, run.
Run, Curtis! Run, Curtis! All right, you got him.
Curdy's been out like 5 times. I don't know. He's got bad luck. He always gets caught at second. What are you doing, Curdy?
Way to go, Curtis. Good.
Way to run down there, buddy. Or they keep getting you at second, Curdy. What's going on with that?
Derek and Morgan.
It's all Patrick's fault. You got to stop hitting at the second. Because Curdy keeps getting out. You know, that's a fielder's choice for you. That counts as an out in your statistics. That dropped your batting average to 325. Let's go, Speedy. Good hit, Steph.
Yes.
Good hit, Steph.
Oh, foul ball. Good swing.
That's it, no. Keep your eye on the ball, Steph. Your eye on it, Steph. Go, run! Way to get there, Steph. Good hit. Foul ball. Uh-oh. Let's go, Derek. That's it. Good hit. That's the position. Oh yeah. Hey, Dad, cut out with the coach and just let me hit here, will you?
Foul ball.
Keep your eye on it, Derek. Good hit, Derek. Stephanie, get down there. Don't let him get you. Stephanie, good running. Derek, nice hit, buddy. Okay, now just hit it about 6 inches below it. Oh, Jolie, go, buddy, hold it. Way to go, Morgan, nice hit. Morgan, nice hit. What happened? You forgot to hit the tee first. You hit the ball in the first shot. Okay, the other Patrick. Let's go, Pat. That's it. Draw your line there. Good thinking. Gotta have that line. Here we go, Patrick. Good hit, buddy. Hello, yeah, my man. Get down there. There's Speedy. Yeah, way to get in there, Steph. Good job. Hello, that's why you wear those helmets, ladies and gentlemen. That's why you wear those helmets. Let's go, Alec. The next to last batter of the season. Let's go, Alec. Here we go, Alec. Oh. Oh, strike 2. Go, Alec.
Go, Alex, go. Run, buddy, run. Keep going.
Oh, man. He gotcha. Crack it open, dude. Yeah, go. Oh, yeah, Coach, how's that shins back there? There you go. Go, Ryan. Don't let him get you. Go, go.
One more batter.
Look at Patrick making the call, the new umpire.
Good job, guys.
All right. Patrick the catcher, yeah. Still got the equipment on.
At least I'm better at umping than he is.
Good job.
Relax.
Relax, guys, relax.
Kleptomaniac.
Okay, I think you can get ready to shake hands now, okay? Cut it out.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, team, get out there. Don't worry, you don't need your coach for this. Go ahead, get out there and shake hands. Get out there, Ryan. Okay. All you guys go over with your ice cream cups and push it on top of Coach Dan's head. He loves ice cream on his head.
My mom lets me do my own.
Well, it's your mom. She has me being the
Mom! Mom!
The head coach's job is never done.
What? Oh. You have a spoon.
Hey,
Make your good.
way to go, catcher.
See, how about April? You need one. I'm afraid of my I don't remember your name, but here, I'll get you one.
Where's Stephanie? How's that ice cream, Stevie? Did you get Jimmy's on it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the best. Good job, fathead.
More bowls.